Digital marketing is not the same anymore. Technology, user behavior, and platforms are changing fast. In this video, you will clearly understand the most important digital marketing trends that businesses are using right now. First up, AI-powered marketing. Artificial intelligence is now the backbone of digital marketing. Marketers use AI to create content, analyze customer data, and optimize ads automatically. This technology helps businesses understand what users want and deliver the right message at the right time. For example, AI can suggest personalized products or content based on a user's previous behavior, which means more speed, more accuracy, and deeper personalization. Next, let's talk about search everywhere. Search is no longer limited to just Google. People now search on social media, video platforms like YouTube and TikTok, and even AI tools. That's why your content must be clear, conversational, and structured to answer specific questions. The brands that answer questions simply will appear everywhere people are looking. So if someone searches how to learn digital marketing, your content could show up as a helpful video or a quick answer. Trend number 3 is short-form video and social commerce. Short videos capture attention faster than any other format. People love quick, useful, and visually engaging content that they can scroll through. And now, social media platforms allow users to buy directly from these videos, turning views into sales almost instantly. It's a simple flow: watch, click, and buy. Moving on to privacy-first marketing. Users care a lot about their privacy and who they can trust online. So instead of tracking users secretly, successful businesses now focus on permission-based data. When a user willingly gives you their email or preferences, it builds trust and creates a much stronger customer relationship. Think of things like newsletter signups and clear cookie consent banners. The 5th trend is community and creator marketing. It's simple. People trust other people, not ads. That's why brands are growing faster by working with creators and building active communities around their products. These smaller but incredibly loyal audiences bring much higher engagement and better conversions than traditional advertising ever could. It's all about authentic connection. And finally, trend number 6, interactive and smart content. Passive content is out. Interactive content keeps users engaged. Things like quizzes, polls, calculators, and even interactive videos help users participate instead of just watching. This approach improves engagement, builds trust, and helps guide users in their decision-making process. So, to sum it all up, these trends show one clear message: digital marketing is becoming smarter, faster, and more human-focused. We're seeing AI marketing, search everywhere, short videos, privacy-first data, community growth, and interactive content all working together. If you want to learn digital marketing in a simple and practical way, follow this channel and stay updated with all the latest trends. Thanks for watching.